This is North Ten Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0. My brother, how's it?
Ke sharp my bra.
Sharp man.
Yeah, ke monate.
Munad.
Mara not too much.
Why you so munad?
The performance for Mamelodi Sundowns
Yeah.
is down.
It's very down.
It's like switch on, switch on.
Yeah.
Yambaisisa lena my bra.
Why you buy this? We need to know.
Awa tuno to yona ke hani.
Yeah.
Ke tlwaetse hore ka first half ke kokote ke tsene.
Yeah.
Want to say like ka mo hae a ke kokote ke a tsena ka first half.
Oh, yeah.
And then first half impaletse ke ba worried.
Go worry.
Wa bona ka tsheko ke tle bjang. Ke tle ka dilo tsohle ka re ke nyaka go bona bothatha o leng ko down tsuru o ilagalang. Mara ke tla o solve.
O solo over.
Yeah. O bone le wena.
O solo vi.
O bone le wena.
Yeah.
Ntho ke le buisang ke le buisa Betway Premier Soccer League.
Itlago. Yeah.
Ke le buisa Betway Premier Soccer League.
Yeah.
Draw ya Mamelodi Sundowns. Ke lose ya Pirates. Lose ya Pirates ke win ya Kaizer Chiefs.
O ra o reng?
Ibile biao.
Oh.
Le wena o ibone.
Yeah.
Draw ya Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ke lose ya Orlando Pirates.
Oh, yeah.
And lose ya Orlando Pirates ke win ya Kaizer Chiefs.
No, I get it.
Ke sa e busetsa hape.
Hey, tada.
Ke sa e busetsa hape. Mapra ke a o lebuisa re thoma league bontshwa re thakana le di new team
Yeah.
bo Durban City bo Swelele. I'm happy. Mara re shota ka team tse pedi. At least re be 18 teams.
Oh,
O
yeah.
bontshwa re league ya rena
Yeah.
ya dipolepa.
Yeah.
Want to see
Yeah.
ya dipolepa league ya rena re khona o bona re ya ko pela re boele morago.
Oh, yes.
Di league tse dingwe tse dinyane wa bona Betway Premier Soccer League
Yeah.
ke league ya kgolo mo Africa.
Exactly.
The way ka mkhwa ke bonang ka teng mara ro ba phua ka mo kae re na le team tsa 16
16, yeah.
re phala ke Zimbabwe e na le team tsa 18
18.
re na le team tsa 16
No, le tla batla utlwa ya batla.
ya ne ke khopela Mr Doctor Ivory Coast ane ba lokisa bothata wo ya re bona re VAR yona e ka pala ere di referee tsa rena di phua di slow di referee tsa rena di phua thata a di khona u balance sa game like game ya Maloba Kaizer Chiefs and the Stellenbosch. Yeah, you playing better Kaizer Chiefs but not too much because you find the red card early.
Yeah, but it was a red card.
Yeah, it's a red card. Yeah, it's a referee. Game you dominate riba munate. E relax e tshware ka matso a ha o bontsho re o referee
Mara ha le red card tsantse re be red
ai
card.
tla ba red card mara mola ne wa bona ka ba re o latile motho straight no ba red card straight mara ka re motho lo tlile ka mo morao na tsantsa mo shupe ka yela e yellow go bontsha re
Ba bitsa doxo.
okay ai ke kwile ngwana mma ntho ke thabelang ne ke thabela hore go bone o mpone una ba re ka tshekona ke tlile ke shiana
Yeah.
aka tla ka tsela ke tlileng ka yona e o ntwaetseng ka yona
No, re ka o
ke a o
fela.
lebohisa
Hey, tada. Hola.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.